Thanks and thank you very much for your attending classes. I do believe that you all people are watching regular basis, but I'm not getting so much response. I would like to say with here that what is according to your demands, I'm uploading the video every day. Wherever your problems, you are not able to understand any issues, please send a feedback. I will help you out. All right. They believe that till now more than more than 15 or more this language video already I have uploaded. You have watched also. Alright. This all everything I have uploaded. This all everything are very important. Don't think that any video or not important for you. Every videos are very important. I cannot say that if you will not learn, then you will learn this thing. This all everything will give you the right choice, the right powers, and right speaking, which is very common and very easy to understand. I'm not talking about that you can learn in a day, but I can talk that's how you can use this thing and where you can use, where we can use the late, where you can have, where you can head, where these common words, many, but, few, on, for, from, after, even, show, under, among, just. These are very common words. You cannot believe how much it is common. Even I am repeating the same thing so that you will never miss and you will be a very good speaker. You will be a very good speaker. Right? Today I am talking about whichever's I would like to share. That's one story I hope I had given you to write. Right? But so many people have written and so many people have not written. Right? Not an issue. I told you that if you are not able to write, I will help you out. Alright? I will help you out. Don't worry. This was the story. I hope you are able to understand what I am talking about. So many people they have written so very good things. This video already uploaded. Right? This all everything I have uploaded. Alright. This thing's already uploaded. Today I am thinking this video already uploaded. Please go and watch about this Hindi and English. This was one of my students. They try to help to others about this compound. That's why they have uploaded. If any people they need this help, they can take help. No doubt, they're very good. Okay, and at least they are trying to help to others. These things was the project they made. Definitely, it's very good. Not an issue, right? Here we are talking about that today what I'm going to teach you. Alright, today what I'm going to teach you. Okay, so let's see what I will teach you today. Today I think I will have uploaded this story. Okay, I hope this is a very easy to Friends and the Bear, and I don't think that I have to explain once again. But even you are thinking that I have to explain, then you can write in the comment, show that I can explain their words. Very easy ones. There were two fast friends in a village. Right? Bosom friend also you can write. Very good friends you can write. Right? Close friend also you can write. The names, they have anything you can write. This is not issue nil, jil, whatever you can write. They promise to help each other in the troubles they will through a forest. Right? This way we start the exercise. What they did, what is the effect, and what was the morality here comes up. Right? I have here uploaded. Okay, so it is very easy to understand. Beware of false friends or do not lose your wits. Alright, this is the morality. Beware of false friends like him. Right? In our life, definitely we should have to be more and more conscious. More and more conscious. Reason behind in life, to do a little bit mistakes, it will be a problem for a lifetime. In lives, a little bit of changing will make our life shatter and we can reach on the top. Only a little things can help you out. When a little things can give you achievements, and when a small mistake, a little mistakes will get you what? Disgrace, deceit and defamation. Alright. So this is my humble request. If you have not written till now, you can come in this channel and you can write one by one. Alright. This is very easy. I don't think that you will face a problem, anything. One by one line, just I have here uploaded. Alright. If you have written, no doubt, not an issue. If you are not able to write or having any types of problem, that's why I'm talking about. Alright. So I do believe that you understood what we are talking about, right? What I'm talking about. Okay. So please, some more sentences which was very important for the class. Let's start today's class. You don't understand by saying. These all everything's very, very important. Every child will cut their own hair. Self-possessions are always undermined and other possessions seem better. Self-possessions are always undermined. Self-possessions are always undermined and others' possessions seem better. Right? We people doing this thing. If you have a teacher, you have a faculty, you have a principal, you have a director, you have a parents, you are not giving value. This is the human nature. But this human nature is not beneficial for you. This will not, you will not get the benefit in your life. Oh, what you have to care and you have to value. Right? So what once again I'm going to repeat. Cut their own hair. Every child will cut their own hair. Self-possessions are always undermined and other possessions seem better. Okay? Where are the problem? Ask them one by one. What is the issue? Why you are mischieving? Why you are doing this and that? Why you want to spoil? Why you want to disturb the class? What is your issue? If you are not interested, you are welcome. You can go. Right? We are not forcing to anyone. Right? This class is for skill development, your personality development. Right? You should have to be a very good people. In 30 days, in 30 minutes, if you need, if you'll text, and if you will be humbly, you can grasp all everything. You can't believe that whatever you have not learned in 30 years, you can learn in only 30 minutes. Right? Everyone will practice in front of the mirror for 15 minutes. This is a very highly practiced. This is the first thing that this is required for everybody. Without that, it is very tough. Okay? That's all for today. See you tomorrow. He met him near the road. He looked very upset. What do you think? I will leave you like that. What do you think? I will leave you like that. That means what? I'm talking about that. Don't think that you are doing this mischief and this and that. I will leave. No. Anyhow, you will have to learn and you will have to be a good people. This is our motto. Our motto is not for punishment. Our motto is not to scowl. Our motto is not to do anything. Right? What difference does it make if you want or don't? What difference does it make if you want or don't? What difference does it make if you want or don't? What difference does it make if you want or don't? Today, many children are absent. Today, many children are absent. I think it's in your best interest to learn from you. What will people say? I wish I could be like him. I wish I could be like him. I wish I could like him. Right? Don't be formal. Don't be formal. That means don't be show up. Okay? What the matter most to me is your happiness. What the matter is the most to me is your happiness. What matter the most to me is my family. What matter is the most to me is scoring good marks. Alright. So thank you very much for and highly happy to all everyone's you are going to help to anyone, and I do believe that you will get the benefit and one day definitely you can learn a very good things. Alright. Thank you very much for your support. Have a great day ahead. Please support to everyone. Please share, subscribe and hit the bell button. Right? This is your duty also and responsibility also, and you will be very happy. Right? Thank you very much.